Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used in politics, history, and international relations: hegemony. It might look intimidating, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation has two common variations: hegemony and hegemony. Let's break it down. First, we have he or hi, which sounds like the short a in help or the short I in hit. Next is ja or ge, where ja sounds like just and ge sounds like get. Then comes m, a soft syllable like the a in sofa. Finally, we have ni, which sounds like the letter e. Now let's put it all together. Hegemony or hegemony. Try repeating after me: hegemony. Now a little faster. Hegemony, and at full speed, hegemony. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Hegemony refers to dominance or leadership, especially in politics or cultural influence. For example, a powerful country might have hegemony over others in global affairs. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce hegemony and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.